Hey y'all, in this video I'll be showing how I take printed leather patterns and turn them into hard copy patterns for ease of use for future projects. The pattern I'm using today is a pattern I purchased from Stock & Barrel. It's their number 52 wallet, which you can buy and download from their website. Some helpful items you'll need for this process are a ruler or straight edge, some heavy poster board which will make up the hard copy of the template, some Elmer's glue or some glue of your choice, a box cutter or your preferred cutting tool, and a Sharpie to label your cutout pieces. The first step is to break down the parts of the wallet and prep them for gluing. One thing to note before starting is making sure your printed template is true to size. Most print-off templates are good to go, but it's always something to double check. After separating the parts of the wallet, apply your glue to the back of the template and the poster board. Apply the template and smooth. Repeat this step to the other template parts. From here, it's time to cut out the pieces. Using your cutting tool and a straight edge, cut as precisely as you can along the template lines. For this particular wallet, I printed out 4 pieces, but as you can see, the wallet consists of 7 parts. Taking a Sharpie, I mark that I'll need 2 of each. I also mark a side A and a side B. This will remind me to flip the template when it's time to cut out my leather pieces. Every template you print off will be different, but I hope this video helped answer some questions and was informative. As always, I appreciate the support. Don't forget to drop a like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, y'all have a great day.